with the help of those devices, they can sit and you can give them little stuff on it whilst you do your work.
Exactly.
You're not have to left and gone up, they're going to write down A, capital A and capital B, and I draw a diagram for we can't ever draw.
Hi guys. Alright.
Oh, when you come up with
No water.
Some cream people take it and that's down in
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Me and mom here today. So we're gonna be doing dinner with you guys today. What is on the menu, mom?
fried fowl, of course, and some white rice and some long time vegetable in our fridge. Because the people have to say, what happened to the vegetable? What happened to the hello?
We can't afford vegetable.
We can't afford vegetable right now.
I buy one sweet pepper today for $478. I wonder if we can see.
Right
here, see that? $478.
Yes, and this is
and 5 cents
plus 16.5%.
Plus 16.5%.
The camera look like they not see it.
See that now.
Plus 16.5%. And see
for the singular sweet pepper, I want you to know that.
And see a sore foot there, Campbell.
Something don't have no sore foot.
It have a squeeze and then put it turned aside there down in the tray.
Maybe I saw it grow.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm drinking an ice of glass water.
Yes, so man, cheers.
We are drinking plastic cup of ice water.
Anyways, yeah, so we're doing fried chicken, white rice, and curry gravy for the top.
This is so good.
Look, rice and peas in there. Fish already cooked from with you.
Oh, rice and peas finished.
For real?
It wasn't a big pot of rice and peas. I think I put it. No man.
Okay. Well, yes, so mommy add the all over there. Come show people the season chicken.
Oh, the season of fall.
What are you guys cooking for your dinner today? Whenever you see
whenever
this,
you get to watch,
you can tell us what you cook for dinner. This is mommy's in charge of the chicken. Mommy kinda in charge of cooking today, you know, guys.
I'm always in charge of cooking, but I come with it. I'm me name kitchen mama over here. My name kitchen mother.
Yes.
So this is it. Me have some Kobe, me just feel like the lens now pick up the fall. Yes, it looks in better.
Alright, show them the chicken now.
So this is it, the fall, yeah.
One more friend.
Yeah. So I've got the grated garlic. I'm seeing the milk or something. So me I got crack 2 egg on it and sprinkle. A little flam doing it the short. This is a shortcut way of doing fried chicken. You just season your chicken, crack an egg or 2 if you want. If you don't want the egg, you just sprinkle the pear flour and massage it in. Shortcut way. Yeah, I never shown that on the cooking channel, but this is one.
So yes, so our topic for today, as obviously while we are cooking, we will have a topic today. We are not just gallivanting, we are serious people today.
We are very serious. We are gallivanting and having making dinner and gallivanting.
So our topic for today that we're talking about is
serious topic though.
Very serious topic. How old do you think, or is it how old, or what age?
What age?
I would say at what age do you think that a child will be ready for their own device? When I say own device, in our day and age, you know, not talk.
We can't talk about back
the old back there. So let me make it clear. In this day and age, currently right now, at what age do you think a child is ready for their own device?
Sorry about that. The people them say I'm to let you talk, because I am always talking over you. And I guess I'm gonna tell you now the people are saying that. I guess because I'm the older one, I'm up in age, me enough attack. She always talk over me.
Let me tell you something.
Tell you, I am the more experienced one here. Not that I'm doing it deliberately, but sometimes
when you're talking with people overlap, and that's normal.
When discussion, even with professional what you call that, something, the interview, sometimes a little overlapping, so when I go and suffer, you know, that serious.
So like what is that?
Come on, bring on the topic.
Back to what I was saying. So the topic for today is at what age in this day and age, do you think your child would be ready for, or not your child, but a child would be ready for their own device? I'm not talking TV and them something there. I'm talking like their own device, like maybe their own phone
tablet,
or their
phone,
own tablet
computer.
or their own computer is a push, you know, so make not put computers yet.
Well, tablet, iPad.
But I would say between tablet and phone, like their own device.
Small device.
Because when you push on computer is more for schoolwork. That's when you really start pushing on like the part, like the more important parts when like school come up, when you need your laptop for that. But in the meantime, like your phone and your own like a personal phone and your like a tablet, at what age do you think that they would best be ready for that? What is your thoughts as a mother?
You think some of the grandmother them will come in and them will put you at long time age.
That's what I said, which is why I'm saying in this day and age.
I'm cracking eggs, so you can show them some milk.
Yeah, mommy, I crack her egg them. So that's why I said at this day and age, I don't want to compare it to back then, because back then things are different, and obviously me never born.
Have no tablet and
exactly, and I don't want to compare it to back then, because things and times now have changed
and will continue to change
because we are in a technological era that keeps growing every single day, and as such.
Check the camera now.
Oh. And as such, it's important to know the age that you want for these things, so you can know when your child is ready for certain things. So
and
mommy, what do you think?
This is the little shortcut for get the fold for fryer. And you not forget make no more.
It's not the fold people them come here for.
Yeah, them want to see fold too. What to you? Okay, for me, to all me so the kids them are behave now and how intelligent most of these little kids are, I would say too. Not for the phone, not for the phone per se, but like for the little tablet and probably the little iPod, because and
tablet, iPod, I same thing. Just
different brands. Me an idiot, you know.
It's just different brands, but it's the same. It's the same genre.
Well, me I say I would say like the tablet and the iPod monitored by parents. But me that say too, because you know what? Some of these 2-year-olds, they're really smart, you know.
Smart, yes.
Really smart, and carrying them
and
back.
Sometimes the little book them wanna have out there, so it's not enough. They need more.
Yeah, to all the me think them for start upgrade the book them. I know a lot of people.
So, yes.
I know a lot of people. Them see it already. Some of them see my face. Although I know them no want to see me tired face, but you know have to see it sometimes.
Mine worse tired out in the show.
Yeah.
Or school.
So me I rub it in and show you. So look here. I would say they need to upgrade some of these books, because look here. These kids know, them no want to see the local ABC book, they will mark A for apple, B for bat, and C for cat or cow or callaloo or whatever. I don't know. Right? This is a different age from them. You know when I was pregnant with you and I was going to maternity, you know, my maternity, but yeah, whatever, antenatal clinic. And there was a nurse there. I don't know if she didn't have a position for talk to nobody. She just a smoke a galang all about the place. So she not
on the ward?
Yeah, no. When me got antenatal clinic up on the ward, me there.
I don't know what is antenatal clinic.
Antenatal clinic is when you're pregnant, during your pregnancy for the 9 months. You have
so a clinic?
Yeah, clinic me go. I went to doctor, a private doctor with your other things to get, but I'm never got clinic with you.
So a clinic, yes, antenatal clinic. I've never heard of antenatal clinic.
Yeah, during your 9 months of pregnancy, you have to go man. Whether you go private doctor, same antenatal.
Okay.
You know, and then afterward, now you start go, it's postnatal.
Okay.
So, and to be honest, me never that too rate her. I mean, so someone smoke, so she always run I go smoke. But she said something to the mothers one day, because sometimes them always have a like a briefing. She said, mothers,
which is good to have a briefing. I do like
yes. I don't ever an antenatal place you go.
Does that, but I think that's
it was a public clinic, and for one of those public clinics, I really saw that as something that was very uplifting. She said, mothers, you must do a pregnancy, you have to try to do good, you know. Because what you do during your pregnancy, most of the time your babies, your child come and adapt it, you know. You must learn to read and do good things, you know, so you have to smoke too. But anywho, yeah, sometimes good can come out of bad, you know. Good things can come out of bad. Something true. That is seemed to, but what she was saying, it made a lot of sense, and I really did applaud it. So this is the fall. This is the season of fall.
That is the season for ready to be fried.
So I'm thinking, I'm looking at these, and she said, whatever you do during pregnancy, the kids come, and most of the times they adopt it. So you have to always try to do something that is good, that is uplifting.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, when I look at how intelligent and how, what's the word? Help me. I go pre-eat the
evolved.
Is that evolve is the correct word here?
Intelligence
When you look,
is the base rate.
yeah,
So
when you see a 2-year-old now, as opposed to 2-year-olds then, I would say
2-year-old.
that's a whole lot of difference. These 2-year-olds, they are ready. The government of Jamaica can say the men can go to school at 2-year-old. I think so.
Yeah, I do believe so.
And they just get them potty trained. They're smart.
They're very smart. Them all that say words before you even start to teach them words them yet. Because the thing is, they observe their environment and then eventually they start to catch on to things. So even before you start to teach them, oh, say this word, say that word, mama, and
they're saying no, because remember, you know,
words before
nowadays, you know, every household have smart. Most households have smart TV, and you know, you're doing something. You just put your little baby in the little playpen, cradle, or whatever you want to call it. What me not know, bassinet, whatever. They are looking. Their eyes
are everywhere.
They are looking, and once everything is okay intact with them, they are hearing. So they grasp it, and like first time when you have your baby and a 9 day you come out and pick it, then you take 2 weeks for open.
No, 2 weeks? As
not
soon as
them
them come up.
Bad, no, a long time. From I Gerard.
Them eye open.
I don't know, me don't know about the baby them born and take on a day for their eye open. Me never in that era. When I had my son, how much years ago, he was born with his eyes wide open. I fear them did like puss broke up nothing at them. Yeah, so it's a changing world. So I would say too, it depends on the child to look.
Depends on the child. Yeah,
but for the most, when I see most of them 2-year-old, them really smart. People might tend to agree with me because look here, people. Being a certain age now, whether you that come from the old era, you come from the young era, I'm going to tell you something. It's not going back, it's not changing. It's not going to change.
It's not going back.
With this technology,
it's not going back.
I can remember about 10 years ago, I bought a television. I bought the television saying that it was, no, I buy the television for something. It wasn't a smart TV, but I thought I bought it. I don't know.
Well, it's a regular TV. Yeah, it's a regular TV.
But they said I had to buy one of them. If guys said I have to buy back then, you know. So you know, a couple years, about 10-12 years now.
Oh, I know. Me have
to buy the
little smart box thing.
Smart
to make it smart. Yeah,
to pick up the internet. Yeah.
The little.
And you know what the guy said to me? He said, "Mommy, nobody fret yourself about this. The smart TV them look more, but nobody. I mean, say me the one go exchange it. He said, nobody exchange it, mommy. Because he said the next year or 2 years from this, you know what I said that, you know? And it was so.
And it was so true.
It was so true.
Exactly.
And I'm telling you about something that happened about 12 years ago.
So compare them to a TV, them now.
And look here, you know, but that thing say now you go down to one store, go buy one little TV now, and then I hype up yourself and I show off yourself and I go along. Every single tick the clock tick, them a come out one. Well, when you look here, you say, well, I TV that me watch a real man that me see.
Exactly.
Come on. That's how it's the technology. It's tech. Exactly. Tech, high tech. It's the technology.
And a lot of people may look at technology and see, oh, it's bad or anything like that. Technology is only bad if you make it
If
bad.
you make the technology, it's there for you.
It's for you
to utilize it and to do it, to make it work good for you.
Not all technology is bad. Okay. Not all technology is bad. It is how you decide to take it.
Yeah, it's all about you.
If you want to take it and make it bad, that is up to you, and that is how it becomes bad to you and becomes a danger to your
Even the
home.
same thing with the social media, YouTube, whatever.
Exactly.
And them something. It's about you, you know.
Bad.
As man, I come back to them say, life is what you make it. Is
life
what you
is
want
what,
to do,
exactly.
you know. Yes, so but it's there for you
so
that you can really what's the word? Yourself you can move ahead, forward, and elevate yourself, elevate your life, your standard of life, and something. It's all about you. If you want to take it certain way, then I feel business that.
Exactly, that's
but
true.
But it's for you to know that good is there.
Exactly.
And that's why
because
it's good for you to gain understanding. And I might say again too, and I don't want anybody to think that I'm being what's that word? I know some people take some things. For the older people, it might not be the best. But we have to understand that it is the era,
world is changing,
and that's what it don't change already. It will continue to change.
As a lucky, I said the world change at night time.
Yeah, every morning you wake up is a different
There's something new, exactly. And as such, we have to evolve with it. Sometimes we may not want the change, but the change is necessary.
From we stepped out of 1999, and with the whole excitement, them like come and talk about what Y2K, and that was when the world changed. And meanwhile, the make nice about Y2K, the world changed.
The world changed at the same time. Yeah, so as the world changes and evolves, you have to as well.
Yes.
Even if you don't want to, you have to as well.
I would say 2, because some of these little babies, they're
very smart.
They're
exactly.
so smart. And I think that
and also
if they, and you monitor them. You monitor them. I have a little rice here when it's a basmati on this.
But it is not basmati.
It's like
it is
Marti bas.
It's not half.
Marti, I call it Marti bas. Are we recording? We're
yes,
not.
we are. Yes, we are.
Oh. Yeah.
So, as we were saying, it's that you have to evolve with these things as well. So, what mommy was saying was that these children nowadays, you cannot give them no Anansi story.
No, they don't listen. No, I'm brother Tukumanga and Bird Cherry Island. Please keep that for yourself.
Some people love. Yeah, kids nowadays they don't want to hear. Mommy never tell me no Anansi story.
But for me, no idiot.
Mommy never tell me. I was not that I'm born like the newer generation. I guess not. I get people not call me newer generation movie. Me the back of time, you know. So me tell us if you get me my cane and my brown loaf was them because me old. I want you to know that people are categorizing 25 as old.
That's the era we are in.
That's the era we are in now.
Soon categorize younger than that as old.
Exactly. So people are now categorizing 25 as old, and that being the case, me very elderly then. Because my time is coming up. So in that case, you can't be left behind in this technological world that you're
when
in.
they even start school too, they're gonna be left behind. Exactly. Remember they introduced the tablet, they must school.
They'll introduce them at school, exactly. And also we have to make sure and understand that some children are visual learners. You dancing it out or doing it out doesn't help them. Some of them want to see a nice little picture. Yes, they want to see a nice little song and a little dance. They want to see the alphabet and dance with them. You cannot pretend to be A and dancing. They want to see the alphabet moving and dancing.
They have computer brain, you know. Because when them see the little book, they mark A and like when they tell us
they think that it
one
can
stroke
move.
Down, another one down, and one. No, them no,
one stroke down, another one.
But that was then. But you have to realize now that
it's a bubble up, so
I don't know what you may turn it on and turn it.
Actually, the water you have to.
We don't have the water in the.
It's dripping water. You have to let it. You have to open it.
No.
Okay.
Let it cook. Let it steam. We can stop soon.
Alright. So yeah, some children, and we have to understand our children's like the type of learning that children can be able to work with. Every child is different. Some are visual learners. Some like to listen a little song. Some of them you have to write it in a one little poem or write it in a one little jingle or something. You have to understand that, and that is how then you can say, alright, we know if we could buy one tablet for the child or if they're not ready for it as yet or whatever be the case. But it's always good to have these things at hand, because when that time now, maybe as a parent you might be busy and you won't have the time always.
Better for you
all you can do, you have the account.
With all these business,
at the end of the day, I want you people to know.
4 or 5
exactly.
jobs.
I want you to know.
The nights are shorter, the days are shorter.
Exactly. I want you to know. It's not the babies that have control of these devices. It's you as the parent that has control of these devices. And when you have the control, there's something on there called a screen time limit. You can put the limit on there 2 hours, 3 hours. When it's done.
Hello. I don't want to talk over. Excuse me, miss, please. Because that me do come here talk over you. So please, miss, may I?
Mommy, stop that.
Yeah. I totally forgot what I was saying. What were you saying?
I was saying that with a screen time limit, like there's a limit to how much screen time that they can have during the day.
I don't even remember.
Open your eyes for me. Okay.
I don't remember. I was gonna say something. Oh God, and then it just
remember.
No, you don't expect me to come in on that screen time argument there.
No, man, you're the
Mommy don't know nothing.
Mommy doesn't know exactly.
So tell them.
Mommy creates her own screen time limit. Because obviously she's a big person, she knows to come off her phone. But as children and stuff like that, they don't know a time limit. So you as the parents have to give them that time limit. There are a lot of things on these devices that have parental guidelines and parental locks that allow the children to not get into things. At the end of the day, as I said, it's not the child that has the control, it's you, and you
let
guide.
me tell you something too. May I, miss, please?
Yes, you may, miss.
Okay, thanks, miss. Let me tell you. I think.
You know, you love the. I need to stop this foolish.
No, me not do no foolish people. I'm saying talking over you. You know, the people say mother talks too much over that. So me ask permission. So, it helps the child, and I think it is helping the parents too. It is giving you more time to be doing chores at home. Right now, a lot of people are working from home, right? Since this whole pandemic something. You have a child that is 2 years old, not potty trained as yet, so they can't go back to school yet. But with the help of those devices, they can sit and you can give them little stuff on it whilst you do your work.
Exactly.
You're not have to left and gone up there and write down A, capital A and capital B, and I draw a dog and pour we can't ever draw. You know, so it is helping the child, and it's also helping the parent.
Because let's say for instance you have to cook dinner and other things around
are there to be done.
Put the little tablet right there, so let them watch their little ABC show or whatever little show that they like to watch. I guess all kids like to watch the same thing.
And I guarantee you, no child now go see that and come out and go. Even with some of my big kidney them, but when they come from school and them parents not home, them parents that work same way, them now gonna know, so them have them look at something there as you are saying on them, you can monitor it from work. And then something there. And because most of the time when they gone, other kids they are then gone with something recreation there.
Exactly. Yeah. So you put these things into their life so that they can learn balance from early. Right? They can learn how to balance certain things from early. Alright? Playtime outside at a different time. Little time that you have on here, so school work time, dinner time. There's one thing that me and mommy agree on is that no devices around the table.
I don't think so. While whether eating on their own or eating with the family, I don't think we should encourage that. But to each of us, their own. But when me say again too, with the I was gonna say
it's just not something we would encourage.
Yeah. Even though they are using device, help them monitor, make a schedule for them, right? Where them go outside, go get a little activity.
So them get activity.
A little sweating out and all them, because okay, sitting down and these devices all day and them up then get loggy, them brain go lag with all kind of something. They need to go outside, get a little sunlight, sweat out, move around, dance around, you know, kick 2 balls, do what they're doing. So don't take that out from them.
Exactly. It's all about balance in this life. And that balance that you teach them from early, they'll start to develop it when they go further in school. Right? And then now when you give them a phone for themselves, they can still have that balance at the end of the day. And even when you're ready to give your child a phone, you still as the parent, you have some form of control over it as well. Right? You not let them loose with everything. You buy the thing. You know that they have the control over it until when they are older now and they can buy their own phone and they can buy their own devices and whatnot be the case, then they have the control over it.
And listen, I think when from early, you won't have them frightened and excited. So when they see other kids with them own, I try to steal other children's stuff and all of them something there. You get what I say? So some people might argue that it makes the children don't want to learn, but I don't think so.
Actually, no, it does make.
I don't. That's just my personal opinion.
It doesn't make you not want to learn.
No, I don't think so. As Scope says, little children, they love lots of activities, things that are, you know, those little pictures moving around. A baby them, you know, see when them get in them crib. You know, so when you buy crib,
you have to give them some little things that are pretty so that their eyes can follow it, so they can learn like colors and they can know their little numbers. They want maybe a number 5 dancing in the color red. Right? You can't pretend to be number 5 or dancing in color red, and you can't draw that either. That doesn't keep them entertained for a long period of time.
For the teachers nowadays, time is short, you know, about the 24 hours and another day again.
Very true.
No real 24 hours. So knock off
very
easier for teachers. The teachers have a busy life, the parents have busy life, and look here, you still have family time. Family values are still there. Exactly. It's all up to you.
It's all about balancing the time. Exactly. So when you're older now, when they're older, they can have this balance where they know when it's time for schoolwork, when it's time for phones, when it's time for this, when it's time for that. Exactly.
With them,
I have my devices, and even though yes, people will say me an adult, yes, I have my devices.
So you're not an adult?
No. And
what you say?
I have had my devices for a while, outside from after mommy stopped buying them and I started purchasing them for myself. I've had my devices for a while, and now that I had that responsibility, I knew when it was time to put it down and when to take up my schoolwork and when to take it up back, and also when to implement it into my schoolwork. Because I want you to know something. In this day and age, when it comes towards school, technology is everything. Technology is in every inch, every crack of schoolwork that is happening.
Not school alone.
Not school alone. Everything. But if you're, when it comes towards schoolwork, every single thing, technology, research is very important, right? Research up this, research up that, go on this feet, go on that. Nowadays, they're not asking students to create a lot of things by hand anymore. That I know of.
Right, CXC.
They're not asking students to create certain things by hand anymore. The last time I created something was in what, grade 6, and it was like this paper mache thing. That was the last thing I created. After that, went into high school. What me create? Just like two little charts, and that was it. And after that, and I reached into like grade 9, grade 10 and 11, I had to start carrying my laptop to school. Why? Because I'm preparing for CXC. I have to start carrying my laptop. I have to get notes. I have to do this. I have to do the findings. Put it on the laptop. Give the lecturer, not lecturer, you hear me, no, at your university. Give the teacher, so that they can look at it and they can be like, all right, this is okay, this is wrong, this is what you have to change, this is what you have to do. If I was not technologically savvy or into it at that point, I would not know what to do. I couldn't be able to change things on the computer or know how to fix things.
You see, with these devices, with small kids that I noticed that are getting exposure to them, you know, them not waiting in class school. They ring the wheels of the bus go round and all them things. Then when we were small children, yes, we teachers sing them, but they see it on the device.
But they like
when they reach
it
to school,
exactly.
when they reach yes, it's not new to them, and then they literally see the wheel lamp on the bus and go around. Till then get to understand, say another real bus.
Another real bus, exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
But the thing is, they see the bus singing or something like that. No, they want to sing with the bus.
Every little baby, every little, like from baby up to, they love singing.
Children have active
babies.
Children have active imaginations, and you need to be able to give them that attention with it. You as a parent, you can't always be there to give them that attention.
But we can ask them is like parents. Well, I don't want to go in our grandparents then cuss we out.
You're not grandparents.
I mind nobody pick me. They keep them looking, but I not take care. But let's ask the parents too. That's why I want you buy it. If you get to your kids, then buy give them in a car. You know, I no sense. We can't help them with it. So buy give them. I want to ask the parents that so include you know, they do this. A lot of parents do it, you see. How do you as a parent, just give us a little a little example, how is it for you? Is there anything that you find good? My parents will have it good and children. A lot of kids
do you find something good out of it?
Yeah. How do you implement it? What you think about it?
And if you're having issues or something with the kids, you can talk about it and we can maybe sit down and have a little further discussion to figure out how can you maybe fix it. Well, me I know, what do you call it? Me I know IT whiz, you know, me I know technology whiz like that. Me can fix certain things.
Me can spell technology.
But, you know, the day goes by, life goes by, certain things you've been through, you haven't been through, you can give advice on certain things.
Remember, right? You know, they are the future, they are the generation to come.
Exactly.
Older people like us, some people are into it too, you know, older people like myself and older, they are into it. But remember, some people literally are not into it. It is going to be hard to get people like, not everybody, let me make sure I clarify myself. Because you have people here, they literally don't listen, or they come in on the videos. Please remember to watch the videos from the beginning. Remember to thumbs up the videos. So you can understand. Don't come in halfway when you don't understand. Then you make a comment.
It sounds like we're saying the wrong thing, but we're not,
right.
Because there's context
because you come in at an interval and you don't know what was being said before. You know? So I'm saying, like, people of my age, some people, you know, and a little older too, some people are managing it well. I'm not. Just like a small bit, I'm not. So I'm saying it's gonna be hard for some people to get it, and as it fades out, we need the younger people them around with to teach with.
Exactly.
So and there it goes. You have
They have to learn.
It makes sense.
They
Now
have
say
to
you have to.
learn.
It makes sense
Yeah.
to let them get into it from now. So your grandkid or so go come on.
They can teach you.
Yeah, they can teach you when they come around, whether they are small or they are grown or whatever.
Until
so
you
it
get
makes
it yourself.
sense. Yeah, and they can teach you. They can help you too.
Yeah.
Literally.
So we're going free food now.
Come here, come on, show them how one minute.
Food is cooking over there, guys.
Food is cooking. The
chicken them look bun up so.
Nobody come so with no excitement to tell people about the fall or bun up. I want one for you, man. Maybe the people them chat.
You cut the chicken?
No, me chop it. I chopped it.
Oh, you just keep it.
You don't
like
see me I chopped it.
Okay.
You keep a technology chicken. Yeah, me chop it already, half chop already. So when you're ready to eat it, or when it's finished right now, yeah, me can just there's something there. Just take it out and cut it little. If you need time for this, I cut up all misses. You know, see a new chicken now, I go on. So it's there coming down, me just put on the rice and all like that. So
the people don't see the rice there.
you just put the rice there, now boil up here. So they need to eat it. You don't know, I want to see food already. So I'm going to be curry gravy in a little curry gravy.
You have a curry gravy and a little curry gravy. You know what?
So we'll catch you then.
Yeah. It is. It is curry gravy time, guys. Mommy is about to do it, so she's using back the same pot she just used a while ago for the chicken. Just using the little fund at the bottom of it and for make the curry gravy. But here's the chicken, nice and crispy.
A crispy?
A crispy. A crispy. A crispy.
It's crispy. Why do some people say crispy?
Oh, we are started. I be asking them the foolishness.
No, people say.
No, I know, but we just said that a while ago. But yeah, she's gonna do that now. I guess the rice is more than likely.
I've pre-made, but them know if we make curry gravy already. So me I put some ginger and some garlic. And I think
the only vegetable we can afford.
I want you to have, yeah, I'm glad. I want you to do one video. I want one, so. So I'm gonna.
Mommy, I go wash her garlic and her something.
Yeah.
And put them in there. So then when she start mix it together, you see it start a bubble and a cook down the cook.
No, but the flame is not on.
The flame is on. Or the heat out tight, I guess then.
Eh?
Maybe at the heat.
Yeah,
it's a bubble in there.
It's still relatively hot.
Okay.
Some parents might disagree, but we just want to get your feedback.
This is from our standpoint, and also.
Yeah, and we also want to say thanks to all the people that are watching. Thanks for all those who are making comments positive, and most of the comments are positive. You know, and even if you don't agree with it, you can say it in a way. Oh Lord, let me take up this and rinse it away there.
Sit there, this one.
I have time for it now. You know, you can just. You don't have to agree with us, remember?
Yeah, no, we're not looking for people to agree with us 24/7.
Yes, on everything.
But even if you have your own
remember,
point
we have our opinion and you have yours.
If you have your own opinion and your own point, you can make it.
Sure, let it come across properly. You show them it hold them. Show them the phone. You show them look at Marty Baz rice.
Show them the rice already.
You know it's the Marty Baz, not Basmati.
Yes, you're not turning on the stove yet, you know?
Yeah, I know, man. I know. I know I say not turn on yet, Mamzelle.
So what was supposed to drink? Wait a minute.
Some lovely water there, I know. You know we have to ask me about. We don't have no limit for water drinking in according to the doctor. According to the doctor.
You can't drink too much water.
We don't have no limit for water. No care you drink water, then I say nothing. Drink it till you come through all part of your till water drinking is illegal.
Too much water isn't good for you. You know what? Nowadays.
Your ice will come down in an ice maker there.
What a blessed day the ice maker gets fixed.
Yes, thank you, plumber. We got our flame on and we're going to cook off this curry. You see how this curry is a really good curry? It doesn't get dark. So I tell you now, once you're using a curry and it doesn't get dark, you know you still have the good curry with it. Yep.
Alright, so mommy I go do the gravy and then we'll come back to show you. Show them the rice. Remember I said this swell high.
Yeah, Marty Baz come up, but the new rice now what we get, Marty Baz.
Alright, you say a super basmati. So.
Super Marty Baz. Yeah.
The Marty Baz is taking very long time.
Yeah, the Marty Baz rice is taking a little time to dry out, and the gravy is, it's gravy. The curry gravy is curry gravy. Right?
It's gravy.
So when it's through, we are going to show you a little bit. Somebody was saying, I think it was Aileen, they would like to see us do a mukbang together. What's your thought?
Okay,
See camera, see camera.
Sorry, I won't look, but you still not the right word, my own I don't. There's to an extent I would go because I don't know, I'm not really like the person for like eating in front of the camera. Like
Come on,
mommy not have no problem with it. Exactly, mommy not shy to know.
But why would I be shy to eating Kobe when food is me on YouTube?
Exactly.
My brand on YouTube is food.
Exactly.
So what that means, I tell the people them say make me not eat the things that I'm cook.
Exactly, that's you. But for me.
But comment. Do you want to see camera girl?
I would more be talking than eating, honestly. I don't know. It's just my little thing. Sometimes even when I'm like sitting down in front of like people that I'm seeing for the first time or something like that.
You're not seeing the people that them are seeing.
I'm not seeing them, but I'm saying it's just this like I don't know. Like I'm.
No, but we can start off with some like little snacks.
Yeah, fine. If you want to have like little snacks, then you take a little snack barbecue. Here and there. You take a little snack here, a little snack there, but like a plate of food in front of me.
No, I'm not gonna name no
because I can see myself eating, and then like me start to feel weird, like oh, I see myself I eat. I don't know, maybe I just.
Yeah, we can find a little thing to
but if you don't want to have like little snacks in front of me, like a little banana chips.
I'm not gonna eat them something there as a grown person. Come and sit up on YouTube and eat banana chips. Like my mind gone. I know it on my mind now gone someday, but it's not gone yet. I don't want a banana. You can eat banana chips.
But I'm not having a plate of food in front of me, unfortunately. I will watch.
We don't have to be like one plate of food like
I will watch people eat, but like me eating in front of people.
But you love to watch mukbangs.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. But eating in front of people,
what does it? What that make? Why?
No. That's why anytime we have to eat, man, with them. We don't know.
So I didn't mal front and
never say that, you know.
Me look at
me never
what is that?
No, somebody I know.
Oh, so guys, you can tell us what's your thought on what's the thing?
It
was your topic
today. At what age do you at what age do you think you can start giving your children like devices? Which age at what age do you think you can start giving your children devices? Or allowing them to use devices.
Yeah, allowing
them. Not giving, but allowing them.
And they can also share with us some of the different, so many different things of monitoring, do this. Because when you watch some of the things, they're telling that you have some apps. And to be honest, people are doing it. And I think it's the modern way.
Exactly.
It makes sense.
At the end of the day, as a parent, you have the control over these.
To me, it makes sense to me.
You have control over these devices. And as such, the child doesn't know when to put on screen lock and all of these things and how to access this and that. You give the access.
Really?
But no, somebody I know. Somebody I know next door.
Oh, you have the dry out.
You have the yeah, dry out the gravy. So when I gravy put on. You have the control over what apps you decide to download for the child. Them don't know which apps to download. You have the control. Okay, what app should you download on there? What can they watch? What do you think is okay for them? Because it's not every little TV or every little thing that you turn on some children will be interested in, right? And everybody want to watch Dora, and everybody want to watch Diego.
Dora, she out there too.
And everybody wants to see like some of those same stuff. There are new things nowadays.
Go up on the regular, the religious cartoon them.
Yes. And also for those little religious cartoons, yeah, you can find them little something up on there as well too. Right? So it's you can teach.
What do you say those cartoons were more what I call that now than some of these apps? Like I'm not calling them my cartoon them, but like some of those like cartoons from when you and your brother was growing up. Do you think they were educational as some of these are today?
In one way. Okay, let me not say not in one way. Let me tell you, some of them were educational, I would say. You do learn stuff from them. In my opinion, you do. There are a couple cartoons I can probably name out of my head if I like to, that I would say yes, it was educational because yes, I did learn something from it.
Okay.
But that's what you have. You have educational cartoons and you just have cartoons for fun. And even in cartoons for fun, sometimes you can learn something from it. It's just all about the brain and how you develop.
I have never in my
Mommy never watch cartoon. No.
I have never watched a cartoon.
Mommy never watched cartoon. And mommy will never will. But yeah, and to this day I still kind of watch cartoons too when I have the time.
Yeah, when you're torment.
I don't really torment, you know. It kind of better than when somebody in something you come on one days, you know. Stick to it, you know. You talk about me. Look from Big Takura, my brother. I watch cartoon at night time. You know, me catch him and watch when he next.
What?
SpongeBob.
Yeah?
SpongeBob.
I guess it's so this brain.
No, but it does, honestly. Me and my brother we watch the similar cartoons and similar TV shows and stuff like that, and we will talk about it. But watch more cartoon and watch TV shows. So, but that's just our thing. Even though we are big people, we know our responsibilities. We know what we like. We know when it's time to do this and when it's not time to do that. It's our recreation. So the rice come out good this time, Mommy. The first time we cooked the Marty bars, it kind of dry out. Mommy did
so
put
you come to the conclusion say Marty bars no.
Yeah. When we first cook it, it never did turn out so lovely because too much rice and not enough water.
Yeah, Marty bars they never did work out.
So
we were applying basmati style to it, but it was that a Marty bars, so we apply Marty bars style.
So we had to put more water on this one now, because normally people say basmati rice, you don't put no more water on it. That's what I've heard. But apparently I need
so that's what we realized, that it wasn't basmati, it was Marty bars. So
and we were applying the wrong thing. We were applying the wrong technique.
It really worked. The Marty bars here go on.
Yeah. Food not look half bad. We are coming to show you the final presentation.
Yeah, cool.
And no, we don't have no vegetable, unfortunately.
No, we have look all vegetable.
Oh, you have look all vegetable, big up yourself.
Yep.
We have look all vegetable.
I mean, I throw it out because it me know it not.
You had a reason for throw it out, not just when you do it.
No, yes, darling, me know it not.
Literally like a day before yesterday, it's perfectly fine.
And it's not popping, but it's gonna be eating.
But it's yummy.
Yeah, it's not popping, but it's gonna be yummy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
So, this is not a cooking tutorial, so it's not popping. But it's gonna be yamming. Okay.
Smell it. You put little something there on it.
I'm not putting nothing on it.
You put little vinegar.
So, see Marty bars here and the fried fowl with the curry gravy.
And
Marty bars, you say, look, just dead pan the plate. So, look here.
You have to brighten up the plate.
Yeah, girl.
With little day-old vegetable.
So, look like about 2 days old, but we not care because we cover it with the sitting.
Or vegetable, you know, we know where this come from compared to when you get vegetable out of road.
And give me. So this is it. We were making this while we talked a little with you. Did a little gallivanting. Show them come.
Let's definitely can kiss it. Yes, there we go. That is over.
So that was it. That was what we were looking for. We are gonna look about something for dad. We've got almost eating dinner already. So.
Yeah.
Yeah,
so thank you guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, Mama was the cook today and I was the assistant as I sat here.
You assisted? What? You're not even, look here, nobody with it, you know.
I assisted in the conversation.
Yeah, but you're supposed to be in the conversation. You have to tell people and say
exactly. So at the end of the day, I've still done my job.
You assisted in the conversation. And a giant in the conversation. No, you assisted in it. What you did doing it?
I gave you the points.
You gave me the points. So me an idiot. Guys, I just want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for loving. Remember to like up the videos. Remember to share them out. Leave us comments below. Yeah, and most of all, tell us what you think about.
Yeah, share your opinions in the comment section. This topic here.
At what age do you think our children should be using devices?
Yeah, it's a very important topic. Even though we are
at 2 years old, they are very smart. With,
for tablets.
With professional monitoring from parents, guardians, and you know, you even carry them to go daycare. So
yeah.
Once
so this
more,
was our food. Thank you guys for watching.
Remember to make some curry chicken with
some
fried
rice,
chicken with some curry gravy
and some Marty bars rice.
Some Marty bars rice and some couple days old and vegetable. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys.